Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. So today, did you just see me dance? I don't know why, but these two girls gifted me something, and when I tried to see it, is this? It's from Sephora. So I didn't open it up yet because I want to do an unboxing video and maybe see whether we can try on something from this. So yeah, so if you'd like to see what's inside, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. And I'm so lucky. I actually wanted to scold them. Why did they even bother giving me a gift? But then I realized, Victoria, you're not sounding grateful. You're, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Aww. They gave me, I don't even know how to react. Okay, they gave me the pretty prosperous kit from Tarte. I love Tarte, and it's the color collection for 2020. Firstly, look at this. Look at the bag. It's red. I love red. I'm going to use this. I'm going to put this inside my bag. Oh my goodness, I love Tarte. I love Tarte. I love Tarte blushes. Did I just throw it? No, wait. I'm scared. Okay, so what's inside? There's an eyeshadow palette. Shall we try it on? Okay, so you do get an eyeshadow palette. It's the Tartlet Party. It's this. Why? I'm not wearing any eyeshadows. The kitten. What is this? The kitten eyeliner. Is this? Blushes! I love Tarte blushes. I have a few. Amazonian 12-hour blush. And this is... I was about to say what flavor. Oh my goodness, it's a full size. I usually just have the travel sizes. And this is Party. I think I already have this. I need to go and check. But yeah, I already have a blush. So we can't use that. And then mascara. It's the eyelashes mascara. Okay. I love this. I'm not so sure whether I can use the kitten, but we'll see. There's two things inside. Thank you, girls. Brows and new beginnings. Oh my goodness, is there something wrong with my brows? That's why you're giving me brow products. This is from Benefit, and I do have like a few Benefit items, products. I do use them. Again, the pouch is to die for. Can I tell them who you guys are? But I think if you've been watching my videos, especially for my students, I think you would roughly know who these two girls are. But oh my god, I'm so spoiled. Okay, the funny thing is, not only does my friend encourages me, even my adopted daughters. Oh my goodness. I just used this, so I love this. It's the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is the one that has the small tip. I used to have this in mini size, and this is, I love it. What color is this? And it's 3. How did you girls know that 3 is my color in Benefit? How did you know? Very good. Okay, so this is the Pearl Primer, the Professional. I don't actually use primers, but okay, we'll see. Maybe I'll try it since it's just a mini size. I did have the original one and I just gave it away because I don't use primers. But I know you're supposed to, but no, it's just me. And oh my god, Love tint. This is like a lipstick, correct? But I have something on. Wait. Oh, the mini dandelion blush. I love this. I love it. It's a blush. Can you see that? It even has a small mirror, which I know I can't use. I'll be using this. Oh my goodness. These are all like, do I use the blush? But I'm already having a blush on. Let's try. Let's try this because I'm really going to use this. Maybe, okay, let's try this brush. So, okay, let's do this. So this, and then, okay, it's actually matte. Not bad. Can you see that? I like it's like a pinkish. Oh my goodness. Yes, Victoria, go and like pile on some. Okay, this is not bad. First time I did try the Hoola bronzer before. And since I was just starting on wearing makeup, I didn't know how to use it. But yeah. So I'm removing my lipstick because I want to try the tint. Oh my goodness, this is like so cool, girls. As much as I want to scold you for like giving me, it's red, like giving me. Okay, I did ask them why did they give me why they gave me gifts. They said it's because it's an advance birthday gift. Let's open it. It's so cute. And when you open it up, it's actually like this. Let's try to do a very simple look. I mean, as in simple, not too crazy. So let's take this fluffy brush and dip it into Cheers, right? Then I'll put this all over my eyelids, like so. Oh my goodness. I just want like a wash. I just want to have like a powder on my eyelid so that the rest of the colors would be easy. I'm not going to do anything crazy. Like maybe just a simple eye look. Okay, I've used Tarte eyeshadows before and I know how pigmented they can get. So I have to be like careful. Take another brush, make sure it's clean. Let's go into After Party. Right? It's a matte brown. And let's create a crease. So look forward. Open your eyes. Deposit it here at the outer corner. So it's actually above your if you have hooded eyes, so it's actually above your natural crease. You're creating a new crease, and then I like to like draw a line at the outer V that side to make it like more defined. And then whatever extra I have, I'll pinch and put it at the lower lash line. Then I have to make sure that I drag so that, and then just drag it out. So I tap it again to the same color, which is After Party, and I'll deepen the outer V. So tap, 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 tap. Then don't forget to always like run the excess in your lower lash line so it would actually connect. And then blend. This is actually a nice color. It's like neutral. So deep in the top. So just keep on layering it until you get the intensity that I actually want. But usually I would not pull it all over my eyelids. I would just concentrate on the outer V with tap, 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 and pull it a little bit in. If you see, I'm creating a new crease. So because I have hooded eyes, and then whatever extra, and then I would blend, then pull it out a bit. This is so pretty. Okay, so when you're happy, right? I don't want to how do you call it, like use any other shimmer. I'll just go back to the first shade that we actually used, which is Cheers, and I'll just put it all over my eyelids. Again, this is just matte. I'm doing this so that my inner corner would actually be light, so it would give the illusion that your eyes are like awake and that it's bigger. Yeah, so I'm just using two colors, which again shows you that you don't need to pile on like a lot of colors in your eyelids, and it's just fine. And then again, take whatever extra, because it's a matte shade. I like to put it underneath my eyebrow. Yeah, correct. My brow bone. Just to give, again, the illusion that your inner corner, it doesn't need to be a highlight. I just like to do this, like to brighten up this inner corner. Okay, so not too bad. So this is like everyday look. How I wish I can do this like when I'm working, but you know. And then take the same brush, the first brush that we actually use, and then clean. Just use this to clean. If you have any other fallouts. So I use the eyeliner. Okay, the next is let's use this, whatever, the mascara. So firstly, let's take my torture device, ding, 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 and let's curl your eyelashes. So hold it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't usually wear mascaras because, again, unfortunately, I do have like sensitive sensitive eyes. But yeah, let's try. So this is how the bristle will look like. Why do I smell everything? So start in the middle. I can't see. Start in the middle. Ouch. See? Start in the middle, then you wiggle it. Push it up. Then for hooded eyes, you have to concentrate at the outer side of your eyelashes. Okay, so it did lengten. Okay, not so bad. I don't like my eyelashes to look thick, but I like to look at, I want to look, I want to have it look like it's long. If it makes sense. Some people want their eyelashes to be like thick and long. Mine is, I just want them to be long. It's like, unless you're like so near to the person, then only then you would notice that their eyelashes. So this is good. Because I poked my eye, so now I'm so scared that I would poke my eye again. So lower lash line. Okay, I like it. It did lengthen my eyelashes. It didn't thicken it, but it did lengthen it. So the only thing I didn't use is the kitten eyeliner, because I have to learn how to use this, because I don't usually use eyeliner because I do have hooded eyes. The lip tint, of course I love this because firstly, it's red. So the professional primer, I have to think how am I supposed to use it. But overall, girls, I love you so much. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the advance birthday gift. I can't wait to keep on using this, doing tutorials and all. Maybe during like get ready with me, I'll be using it and you'll be seeing me using it so often. So yeah, so if you like this type of videos, hi girls, so if you like this type of videos, please do give this video a big thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos at least once a week. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye.